Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Are you tired of dull, tired-looking skin? Say goodbye to those pesky blemishes and hello to radiant, glowing skin with our latest DIY home remedy. Today, we're diving deep into the power of vitamin C for your face. Get ready to discover the ultimate secret to a flawless complexion, all from the comfort of your own home. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps our skin plump and supple. It's also a potent antioxidant that neutralizes skin-damaging free radicals caused by pollution and sun exposure. Most importantly, topical vitamin C has been shown to reduce hyperpigmentation and fade dark spots and acne scars over time. The best part is, you can easily make your own vitamin C serum at home. All it takes is 2 ingredients. 1. Vitamin C powder, as pure L-ascorbic acid powder. 2. Distilled water. Simply mix a teaspoon of the powder into a 1/4 cup of water until dissolved. Apply this directly to clean skin, and let it absorb. Use this homemade serum once or twice daily. That's all you need for a DIY treatment that rivals expensive store-bought serums. With consistent use, you can achieve brighter, more even complexion, reduction of dark spots and acne scars, smoother skin texture and minimized pores, a powerful shield against environmental damage. First, you can mix in a bit of aloe vera gel, about 1 teaspoon per 1/4 cup of serum. The aloe helps calm irritation and provide additional skin-soothing benefits. Second, try adding in a small amount of vitamin E oil, just 2 to 3 drops per batch. Vitamin E complements vitamin C, and also fights inflammation. Some people also enjoy making vitamin C serums with other antioxidant-rich ingredients like green tea, hyaluronic acid powder, or plant-based oils like jojoba, rosehip, or sea buckthorn oil. Feel free to experiment with mini batches to create your own custom combo. You can even boost the brightening benefits by using vitamin C together with other anti-aging home remedies. For instance, mix a pinch of turmeric into your serum to help fade discoloration. Or apply vitamin E oil after your vitamin C to reinforce skin protection. I also recommend following up any antioxidant serums with a moisturizer containing ceramides or peptides for strengthening the skin barrier. This supports collagen production and prevents sensitivity from too much active skincare. Let me know in the comments what ingredients you like adding to DIY vitamin C serum. I always love hearing what custom combos and application tips work well for your unique skin type.